Good morning, you guys. The last 4 days, I was just in bed. Down for the count. That was it. 2020 just knocked me off my feet. Literally. I had a kidney infection and then a upper respiratory infection, and before that I just had like a random cold. So I've just been going through it the end of 2019, the beginning of 2020. But I am alive, I am back. So I have another new one coming for you guys today, and it's actually featuring a new brand I'm obsessed with, Daily Harvest. So I'm gonna start off my day with them today. We're just gonna jump right into breakfast. My most requested videos include what I eat in a day videos because you guys know I lost 50 pounds and I try my best to maintain a healthy lifestyle and keep the weight off. So this is the perfect time for you guys to jumpstart your goals, New Year's resolutions, reaching whatever weight loss or health goals that you have. And this is a great way to jumpstart that or even maintain that if you're like me trying to maintain the hard work that you put in. All of these sound so good. So they have a bunch of different options to choose from throughout the day. They have you from breakfast, lunch, to dinner. See, the options I have here are smoothies, harvest bowls, and soups. And obviously because it's breakfast time, I'm gonna choose one of the smoothie options. Ooh, this one sounds really good. Chocolate and blueberry. I was fortunate enough to actually partner with Daily Harvest for this video. And they were super generous and provided a promotional code for you guys to use. That's going to give you an extra 25 off. And the code for that is just my name. It's Taylor B. I'll post it on the screen here and in the description box, as well as a direct link. So all you do is open up the container, whichever option or smoothie you choose. Take off the packaging there. You can see everything inside, and you're just going to fill this up with the liquid of your choice. So today I'm going to use the organic almond milk with cashew. This is unsweetened. This is a great plant-based option. It's dairy-free. So just to give you a quick little insight there of what's included and the nutritional facts if you're interested, I definitely recommend this one. It tastes really good. Simple option for anyone trying to go dairy-free or just looking for a healthier milk alternative option. So I'm just gonna fill this up. And then you simply just pour this into your blender. Then remember to keep the container and lid because that's what you're going to put this back into to conveniently enjoy whether you're on the go or at home. And we're just going to blend this bad boy up. And we're just going to pour all this right back into the container. And it will be ready to enjoy. Honestly, it smells more like a dessert than a breakfast. And you can either enjoy with a reusable straw because there's a little spot here to put your straw, or you can scoop it out with a spoon, depending on how thick or thin you prefer to make your smoothies. So good. One of the main reasons I am a big fan of Daily Harvest is obviously because they taste so good, but everything is listed here on the back, all the ingredients, and they're all good for you. They're nutritional packed. So it's ingredients that you can actually see, obviously because it's listed here, but you can see it when you open the little container. It's a short, simple, sweet list of ingredients. Daily Harvest is a super convenient food delivery service. It's delivered right to your door. It's also customizable, so you can choose and make your own box, choosing from the collections including smoothies, harvest bowls, soups, oat bowls, chia bowls, and lattes. Yum! I personally don't believe in diets because I believe that kind of sets you up for failure. I believe in lifestyle, so this conveniently fits my lifestyle. You really don't have to put any effort into it. It's less than 5 steps to make whichever item you choose. Tastes delicious, and it's easy to enjoy at home or on the go. So if you want to make one and bring it to work with you, or your commute to work, or if you're like me and you're going to work from home today, you can easily enjoy it from home. This is one of my favorite recent lunch options. It's super easy and only a few ingredients. It's also very filling, so this is literally all you're gonna need. You can spice it up in a different way if you want, but you're gonna need a bagel thin or a small bagel. I chose the everything bagel because it just adds extra flavor. So again, this is the thinner bagel. This is the 100-calorie option. And I just really love the taste of everything. Seasoning. You could also use a plain bagel and add everything seasoning, which can be sold separately at many different retailers. Then you're gonna need a tomato and a cucumber. And then the cream cheese that I like to use is the whipped chive. So the whipped rather than the original is going to be a bit less in fat, carbs, cholesterol, and sodium. So I'm just gonna place this guy in the toaster to warm it up.
toast it up. And while that is cooking, I'm going to cut up my veggies. It's up to you how thin or thick you want to cut these, but you're just going to cut this into slices. Same thing goes for the cucumber. Any extras I'm obviously going to wrap up and save for later. And once my bagel is ready, I'm going to add cream cheese and veggies. I save a little extra cucumber for my little roodle. I don't think we understand the concept of a cucumber. You like it? But that's everything on how to make it. It's super easy. It just takes a couple minutes and it's really affordable, easy to get ingredients, great for on the go, last minute, etc. So this could easily be eaten for pretty much any meal of the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. It can be changed up, of course, using different ingredients if you prefer, but this is just really fresh. I really love the way it tastes. It's very filling. Honestly, I eat this a lot in the summer. But yeah, I definitely love this option and highly recommend you guys try it if you're looking for another healthy meal option. So good.
So for tonight's dinner, I'm going to heat up one of the harvest bowls. This is the sweet potato and wild rice hash bowl. And per usual, all the ingredients are listed on the back here, as well as the quick little two-step instructions here, and it is organic. And then here are the nutritional facts on the side. It also gives you two heating options, so you can either do this on a stovetop or a microwave. Again, depending if you're at work or at home, whatever is more convenient for you. So this says to empty the cup into a pan, stir over medium to high heat 4 to 6 minutes until thoroughly cooked. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or broth if needed. It really doesn't get much easier than this. It is stored in the freezer. It goes straight from the freezer to blender or pan, and it's ready in minutes. Remember, if this is an option for on the go, to keep your lid. That way when the meal is ready, you can place it right back into the cup and place the lid on top. So it makes it super easy and convenient for on the go. It's mess-free, perfect for commuting and storage. I just can't stress to you guys how convenient, fast, and easy these are. It's kept in the freezer and not the fridge, so the ingredients are pulled at their peak times and they're frozen, so there's no risk of the meal spoiling or wasting. Each of them are their own unique recipes. They're amazing combinations, things that honestly I would not think on my own to combine, and they're delicious.
So that's everything for today's What I Eat in a Day video. Be sure to check out the description box for more information and other tips and tricks that I have for these meals and more. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a fan of my What I Eat in a Day videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.